Challenger 6 Mike Yankee, keep rolling around the corner, runway 2 and clear for takeoff. Turn right heading 285.
Now,
Clear, Lima Juliet, runway 2 and clear to land.
2 and clear ready, Lima Juliet. Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 75 with information. Papa over north of Pinnacle Peak, requesting a full stop.
Aviator 75, Scottsdale Tower, entering midfield, right downwind, runway 21.
Turning midfield, right downwind for runway 21, Aviator 75.
6 Mike Yankee, again flighting 285, contact Phoenix departure in that turn, have a safe flight.
35, I'm sorry, 6 Mike Yankee, see ya.
Embraer 70 Charlie, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, 70 Charlie.
Citation 6 Charlie Bravo, turn right heading 290, and then contact Phoenix in that turn, have a safe flight.
Okay, right turn is 290, and then we'll contact departure. We can go out today, Sky Bravo.
We're 70 Charlie, stay parking. We're 70 Charlie, Roger, turn, actually continue down the runway, turn right off at 5, that's Jet B Alpha monitor ground. Aviator 75, right base approved, runway 2 and continue traffic will hold in position.
Right base approved, Aviator 75.
Successful formation, Charlie is now turn runway 21 east on 1803, altimeter 3000. Stop for Piaggio Hotel, runway 2 and clear takeoff.
Take off runway 2.
Fox 520, runway 2 and clear to land, be multiple departures prior to arrival.
Okay, clear to land, 520.
Scottsdale Tower, Dreamline 654. We are on a visual 421.
Dreamline 654, Scottsdale Tower, make straight in runway 21, continue. Traffic may hold in position prior to arrival.
Short 821, we continue. Dreamline 654, thank you.
Mr. Piaggio Hotel, contacting sports in your right turn, safe flight.
Alright, see you, man.
Game to 903, Scottsdale Tower, runway 2 and clear to land, number 1.
Clear for landing, runway 21, give my jet 903.
Student 0 Kilo, again flighting 290 now, Phoenix assigned, and contact Phoenix in that turn, have a safe flight.
290, contact Phoenix, 9 Kilo.
Game to 903, when able to depart. Game to 903, turn right when able, then taxi Jet B Alpha, monitor ground.
Right, and also Southwest Tower, Citation Nancy 5 Charlie Bravo. Comes down 6,000 right now. Looking to intercept the file 21.
Citation Nancy 5 Charlie Bravo, Scottsdale Tower, right base runway 21, and continue traffic holding in position, you're number 1. Piaggio 267 Tango Alpha, Scottsdale, are you able to get to the runway? Piaggio 7 Tango Alpha, once the aircraft out of the way, no delay, runway 2 and clear takeoff.
Okay, no delay, good takeoff 21.
Aviator 69, frequency change approved, have a safe flight.
Frequency change approved, Aviator 69.
Alright, 46349, Cessna, Roger, advise when you're able to get to the runway. Cessna 349, Roger, hold short runway 20, number 3 for VFR departure. Piaggio 7 Tango Alpha, flying 290, and in that right turn, contact Phoenix departure, have a safe flight.
290 over departure, Tango Alpha.
Falcon 2 Kilo uniform, runway 2 on clear takeoff. 4 o'clock, runway 2 on clear to land, number 1.
Clear to land, runway 2 on 4 o'clock.
Inspiration 362, you up next, and I have to catch a release, got this guy on about a mile final, and we'll get you out of here.
Roger, we will be ready.
Falcon 2 Kilo uniform, contact Phoenix in the right turn, safe flight.
Start the right turn, over departure, so long, 382
Officer Alpha Kilo, runway 2 on, clear to land.
Clear land 21, 3 Alpha Kilo.
Global 6 Alpha X-ray, runway 2 on, clear to land.
Clear to land for 6 Alpha.
Actually, in 6 Alpha here, I canceled that, I just got a release on one of my IFR guys. So continue runway 2 on, traffic will be holding in position.
Continuing for 6 Alpha.
Citation 918, X-ray, Chef Tower, runway 2 on, line for weight, be ready to go, traffic global on a 3 mile right base.
Alright, line over weight, now we're X-ray.
Officer Alpha Kilo, unable to parking.
We're going to signature.
Officer Alpha Kilo, Roger, turn left as soon as you can, taxi signature via Bravo, monitor ground. Officer Alpha Kilo, no delay off the runway, please, traffic holding position, traffic on final. And 6 off the X-ray, I'm sorry about this. Started climb, go around. Traffic's pulling in position. The other aircraft didn't get off fast enough.
Going around.
We have to kill contact ground.
Copy.
6 off X-ray, stop that left. You can expect left close traffic.
Left close traffic for 6 Golf X-ray.
6-1 Mike, you're number 1 now. Runway 21 for the land.
Thanks, Cleveland, number 1. 6 full Mike.
So 6 off X-ray, you can start your left cross and turn. You're number 2 on the Gulfstream.
Starting our left turn for 6 Golf X-ray.
Citation 18 X-ray, contacting departure in your right-hand turn. Take place.
Right hand turn, here we go. Now 1 X-ray, here we go.
Trace to jet 593. I've got your release. Just waiting on your flow now. Got about 2 to 3 minutes. Just jet 593. Ocean 24 Mike, departure.
West aviation.
Ocean 24 Mike, roger. Right turn Alpha 5, straight across to Russell Bay. Global 6 off X-ray, your traffic follows now in about a mile and a half final. Runway 21, clear to land.
Traffic in sight, clear to land, runway 21 for 6 Golf X-ray.
Citation 820, flighting 2990, in that turn, contact Phoenix departure. Have a safe flight.
Thank you, sir. Right to 290, see ya.
For my remaining IFR departures, I've got exit as number 1, followed by 7 Juliet Juliet, then 2 Sierra Golf, and then Jelly. Just waiting to release to Phoenix. Global 6 off X-ray departure. Global 6 off X-ray, roger. Right turn when able. Taxi get the Alpha, monitor ground point 6 on the way in. Have a good day. Aviator 42, I main instructions. Proceed direct to the right base. Runway 21, clear to land.
Aviator 42, continuing direct to the right base, clear to land.
TBM, 2 Sierra Golf, runway 21 for takeoff. 2 Sierra Papa November for traffic, you can begin an early left turn.
Early left turn, 0 Papa November.
2 Sierra Papa November, frequency change approved. Have a safe flight.
6 0 Papa November.
TBM 2 Sierra Golf, Santa Fe departure in the right turn. Have a safe flight.
Clear off.
Challenger 5 Foxtrot Mike, runway 21, clear flight.
Clear land 21, 5 Foxtrot Mike on a signature.
Exec at 675, start of left turn and square your turn out to about a 3-mile final. Cessna traffic extending downwind to follow you.
You got it. We'll square it up with the left turn first for 675.
Challenger 5 Foxtrot Mike, turn left next taxiway, taxi 6 V Bravo, monitor ground, good day.
Bravo 7, Bravo 6, good day.
Citation 219, Lima Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear takeoff.
Takeoff 21, 219.
Cessna 4 Sierra Kilo, runway 21, clear flight.
21 clear to land for 4 Sierra Kilo.
Link 36 Tower, runway 21, and line up and wait.
219 Lima Charlie over departure.
69 Lima Charlie, contact me, departure tip.
Clear.
And then the 56 Charlie, enter midfield right downwind runway 21, remain at or above 3,000 for traffic.